There is a woman I am quite fond of that is a very spiritual person. We co-hosted a radio show years ago and have kept in touch, mainly because we connect on a spiritual level. I texted her recently and said, "So, what are you doing these days to pass the time?" I only meant to rattle her cage with a friendly greeting, but her response rattled mine a lot more in return. Time is never just for passing, only savoring and enjoying. This is why I appreciate this woman so much. Who would have thought of a response that deep with just a few words? Precious few, and I want to pass them along for your express benefit. All of us have limited time allocated to spend in this life. How we use it makes the ultimate difference over the long haul of our journey. We can invest our time doing calculated good for others and ourselves, or we can divest ourselves of power and waste a very limited resource. To make it easier, we have shorter increments called days. If we can learn to master those, the weeks, months, and years will fall into place. So, are you passing your time today, or are you savoring and enjoying it? Only you can answer that truthfully.